Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into top 12 coolest smart gadgets, all available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech addict, a gift shopper, or just love new toys, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's jump right into it. 12. Osnap Snap Pro 3 Grip. The Osnap Snap Pro 3 Grip is a sleek, ultra-functional phone accessory designed to make handling your smartphone easier and more comfortable. It's an incredibly thin, magnetic grip that attaches seamlessly to the back of your phone, giving you a secure and ergonomic way to hold your device without adding bulk. Thanks to its clever design, the Snap Pro 3 doubles as a kickstand and rotates 360 degrees, offering flexibility for everything from scrolling and texting to watching videos hands-free. It's MagSafe compatible, which means it works perfectly with iPhones and many MagSafe accessories, and the grip itself is designed to snap flat when not in use, keeping your phone pocket-friendly. The build quality feels premium, made from durable materials that are built to withstand everyday wear and tear. Plus, it's available in multiple stylish colors, so you can match it with your phone or case. 11. Ultra Zoom Binoculars. The Ultra Zoom binoculars are designed for anyone who wants to experience the world up close with stunning clarity and precision. These binoculars offer powerful magnification, often ranging from 10x to 30x or more, allowing you to zoom in on distant objects without losing sharpness or detail. Whether you're birdwatching, hiking, attending a sports event, or exploring the great outdoors, the Ultra Zoom binoculars provide a crystal clear view, even at long distances. Many models feature multi-coated lenses for enhanced light transmission, resulting in brighter, more vibrant images even in low light conditions. They're typically built with a rugged, weather-resistant body, making them perfect for all-weather adventures. Adjustable focus knobs and comfortable eye relief make them easy to use for both beginners and experienced users. Some even come with smartphone adapters, letting you capture and share the incredible sights you see. 10. Mogo 3 Pro. The Mogo 3 Pro by XGIME is a powerhouse portable projector that brings cinema-quality entertainment wherever you go. Compact yet incredibly powerful, the Mogo 3 Pro features Full HD 1080p resolution with support for HDR10, delivering stunningly sharp and vibrant visuals. It's powered by XGIME's Intelligent Screen Adaptation 3.0, which means it automatically adjusts focus, keystone correction, and screen alignment. No manual setup required. With built-in Android TV 11, you get access to thousands of apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube straight from the device. No extra streaming sticks needed. The Mogo 3 Pro also features Harman Kardon speakers, providing rich, immersive sound that's perfect for movies, gaming, or music. Its compact size and long-lasting battery make it ideal for outdoor movie nights, camping trips, or just moving from room to room. 9. Nomadic Roller Luggage. The Nomadic Roller Luggage is a premium travel companion designed for those who demand both style and functionality. Built with ultra-durable materials like a polycarbonate shell and reinforced corners, this luggage is made to withstand the toughest travel conditions while still looking sleek and professional. It features a thoughtful layout with customizable internal compartments, making it easy to organize everything from clothing to tech gear. The Nomadic Roller Luggage also includes a compression system to maximize packing space and a tamper-resistant zipper for added security. Its smooth, quiet wheels and ergonomic, adjustable handle make navigating airports and city streets effortless. 8. Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen. The Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen takes smart home comfort to a whole new level with its intelligent self-learning technology and refined design. Within a week of installation, it studies your habits, when you like it warmer, when you're away, and programs itself automatically to maximize comfort and energy savings. Its sleek, modern look with a sharper display fits beautifully into any home decor, and the improved sensors deliver even more accurate temperature readings. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Nest 4th Gen connects to your smartphone, allowing you to control your home's climate from anywhere via the Google Home app. It also provides energy history reports, showing you when you save the most energy and can even suggest ways to improve your efficiency. The Nest is compatible with most HVAC systems and now supports even more advanced features like HVAC monitoring, sending alerts if something seems off with your heating or cooling system. 7. Shark Slider Nano. The Shark Slider Nano by iFootage is a compact, ultra-smooth motorized slider designed for filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators who demand professional quality motion shots without the bulky gear. Despite its lightweight and portable design, the Shark Slider Nano delivers impressively precise movements thanks to its built-in dual motors and advanced stabilization technology. It offers both manual and fully automated control modes, letting you create dynamic time lapses, cinematic pans, and perfectly smooth tracking shots with minimal setup. Its intuitive touchscreen interface makes it incredibly easy to program moves, adjust speed, and control start and end points with just a few taps. The slider also supports vertical, horizontal, and angled shooting, giving you total creative flexibility whether you're working with a DSLR, mirrorless camera, or even a smartphone. Built with high-quality carbon fiber and aluminum, it's rugged enough for field work while still small enough to fit in a backpack. Plus, it boasts strong battery life and can even be powered via USB-C for extended shoots. If you're looking to seriously upgrade your production quality without dragging around heavy equipment. 6. Databrand Grip Case. Databrand Grip Case is a premium phone case built for people who demand serious protection without sacrificing style or comfort. Designed with an ultra-thin, lightweight profile, the grip case offers military-grade drop protection thanks to its combination of high-impact TPU material and reinforced corners. True to its name, the case features an innovative textured surface that massively improves hand grip, making accidental drops way less likely. One of the standout features is its customizability. You can pair it with Databrand's massive lineup of precision-cut skins, allowing you to fully personalize the look while keeping the rugged protection underneath. The grip case is MagSafe compatible for iPhone models and supports wireless charging without any issues, making it perfect for tech lovers who want full functionality. Precise cutouts and clicky button covers ensure you never lose the premium feel of your device. 5. Docase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1. The Docase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 is a next-level accessory for anyone looking to supercharge their laptop or tablet connectivity. Unlike typical hubs, the Docase Smart Hub features a built-in mini display that shows real-time data like connection status, data transfer speeds, and power delivery details, giving you full visibility into what's happening with your devices. It offers a wide range of ports including HDMI for 4K video output, USB-A ports for legacy devices, a high-speed SD and microSD card reader, and USB-C ports supporting fast data transfer and 100W power delivery. Whether you're a photographer. 4. Oxs Thunder Pro. The Oxs Thunder Pro is a powerful, feature-packed gaming chair designed to deliver an elite level of comfort, functionality, and immersion. Built with a solid metal frame and premium materials, the Thunder Pro offers exceptional durability while maintaining a sleek, futuristic design that fits perfectly into any gaming setup. What truly sets it apart is the built-in 2.1 stereo sound system, complete with dual speakers. 3. Vobot Mini Dock. The Vobot Mini Dock is the ultimate compact solution for organizing your workspace and maximizing productivity. Designed with minimalism in mind, this sleek docking station offers a wide array of features in a small portable package. The Vobot Mini Dock provides multiple USB ports, HDMI output for external displays, and an Ethernet port for stable wired internet connections, making it an essential tool for those who work with multiple devices or need to connect their laptop to larger displays. It also includes a built-in SD card reader and a USB-C port for fast data transfer and charging, allowing you to keep all your devices powered up while managing data seamlessly. Despite its compact size, the dock is built to handle demanding tasks, ensuring you can switch between devices or expand your workspace without worrying about performance issues. 2. Moonrop Space Travel. The Moonrop Space Travel is an innovative and high-quality pair of true wireless earbuds designed for those who crave exceptional sound while on the move. These earbuds combine cutting-edge audio technology with sleek futuristic design, ensuring that every listening experience feels immersive, whether you're traveling, commuting, or just relaxing at home. The Moonrop space travel earbuds are engineered with high-resolution drivers. OnePlus Watch 2. The OnePlus Watch 2 is the next evolution of OnePlus's smartwatch lineup, offering a perfect blend of advanced features, sleek design, and performance at an affordable price. With a polished AMOLED display, the OnePlus Watch 2 delivers vibrant, crisp visuals and excellent readability, even under bright sunlight. It's equipped with an array of health and fitness tracking features, including a heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, Ca2, and built-in GPS for precise workout data. Whether you're a casual runner or a fitness enthusiast, and that's a wrap on the top 12 coolest smart gadgets, all available on Amazon. Which one's going on your wish list? Drop a comment, smash that like button if you found something cool, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech finds. Catch you in the next one.